Retirement sounds great, and it probably will be, but did you know there are steps you really should be taking about 5 years before your target date? Hi everyone, welcome to Money Answers TV. I'm Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers man. We're here to help you build your skills and knowledge so you can be successful in your financial life. Take stock of your financial situation a few years before you actually retire so you have time to make the necessary adjustments. First, see if the amount of capital you've put aside in retirement plans such as your 401k and your investment portfolio will be enough to provide you the income you need when your paycheck stops. If you haven't saved enough, you can put aside what the IRS calls catch-up contributions in all your retirement plans. If you're over age 50, you can add an additional $6,000 to your 401k, $3,000 to a simple IRA, and an additional $1,000 to a traditional or Roth IRA beyond the usual contribution amount. Second, think about ways you may supplement your income when you retire. Maybe you could be a part-time consultant for your employer, or maybe you could buy homes or apartments and rent them out for income, or maybe you could even rent a room in your house at Airbnb. It makes sense to start that side hustle now so that you're generating income that continues once you've retired. Third, think about your housing options. It might make sense to sell your big house and downsize to a smaller house, apartment, or continuing care community. That not only cuts your housing expenses, but also should generate capital you can invest for income. Fourth, reevaluate your insurance coverage. If you think you may eventually need long-term care when you can't take care of yourself anymore, look into long-term care insurance. The younger you buy it, the cheaper it is. You may have a large life insurance policy you don't need anymore, so look into selling it into the life settlement market for tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. My affiliate Life Insurance Settlements at fundinglife.com or 877-485-6681 can give you a free estimate of how much they could sell your policy for. Lastly, think about what you want to do with your time once you retire. Perhaps you want to travel, go back to school, develop some new hobbies, or volunteer. If you evaluate these areas of your financial life in advance, it will make your transition to retirement much easier, both financially and psychologically. Think of retirement as a beginning, not an ending. You'll launch this next phase of your life much more securely and happily by paying attention to these 5 steps.